Hello everyone, this is JD with Day Trading Futures. I wanted to let everyone know I did a short on this earlier today, but I wanted, just in case there's some people who don't really follow the shorts. So I wanted to do a video just very quickly to let everyone know that I've put together an ebook that will help you become a more profitable trader. So this is something that I've kind of put all the videos and tips that I've put together previously all into one ebook. In this ebook, I go over trading other people's money. Of course, I recommend Apex Trader Funding. Links down in the description. Chapter 2, I talk about steps to take before entering a trade, which is very important. Getting out of your head. So this is the trading psychology. This is the fear of missing out. This is the trend bias that we sometimes go through and sometimes have. And chapter 4, we talk about increasing win percentages. And this is where I go in the tips and things to look out for to increase your win percentages. And then in chapter 5, I talk about if you're losing a lot of trades, these are the specific things that I recommend. And then in the bonus, I talk about a trading journal. This trading journal, of course, is very important so that you can go back and if you're losing a lot of trades, you can go back and look and see how you're performing and why you're losing these trades. This will also give you confidence if you're winning a lot of trades. Just looking back on your trading journal and seeing all your previous trades will actually give you confidence in knowing that you're making the right decision. Of course, no strategy is 100%, but this will at least let you know that you're entering a trade when you are highly probable at winning this trade. So if you would like a copy of this ebook, click down below. It'll take you over to my a landing page where I briefly explain what you'll get, and then you can instantly download it. All right, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Y'all have a good week this upcoming week, and here's to some profitable trades. Take care.